Hello and welcome to English Testing Hub. Vocabulary Quiz. This vocabulary quiz consists of 30 questions that assess your competence in using the most appropriate word in the given sentence. Let's get started. How much must I pay for a good second-hand car? It's getting quite cloudy. I think it's going to rain soon. It's a very funny picture. I laugh at it all the time. Nobody gave him a hand. He did it on his own. He received another letter from the blackmailer demanding more money. There are a lot more television viewers today than there were some 20 years ago. How was your trip back? Yes, we certainly want to move to a bigger house, but our shortage of money is only part of the problem. Sorry, it's much too expensive for me. I can't afford it. His friends advised him to see a doctor about his headaches, but he refused to listen to them. It takes a lot of patience to teach hyperactive children because of their low level of concentration. Don't hesitate to call me if you need help. Aren't you going to introduce me to your friend? She isn't very popular with her friends at school. Plants absorb water from the soil through their roots. The office is on the second floor of the building. It is 200 square meters in area. He is not a skilled worker. He doesn't earn much. We keep the original copies of all our reports in a special master file. My memories of you are so warm and deep that I am sure I can never forget you. Spending so much of their time together has deepened their friendship. Philosophers try to find out the meaning of life. Someone pushed him from behind and he fell over. I have broken your vase, but don't worry, I'll fix it with this glue. So, you've lost your job. Well, life is never fair. He usually reads the sports section of the newspaper first. She has got a scarf over her head. I think the job will suit me very well. The boss wasn't there, so I left a message to the secretary. If you have financial difficulties, I can lend you some money. I will have to get an extra job in the evenings. Don't forget to share your score in the comments section. If you are new here, be sure to subscribe because more valuable content is on the way. See you in the next videos.